Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. In today's video, we're doing our Boxycharm unboxing. So I get Boxycharm every single month. If you guys have seen these videos before, you know that I've been doing Boxycharm for probably over 2 years. I really like them. It is a monthly subscription where you pay $21 a month. It has normally 4 to 5 full-size items. As you can see, I did my bare minimum of my makeup because in this video we're gonna do like a try-on style. So I'm gonna show you guys everything we have in the box. I did go ahead and peek in there. I didn't try anything or open anything up. I just kind of looked to see what was in there so that I could do basically like the rest of my face. So this video is not a million years long. So let's go ahead, let's see what we got in the box. This month's box was kind of weird though because as you can see, look how tiny this box is. The normal box is like a lot wider. This one's kind of like long and like thin. Maybe they're trying to make their boxes a little bit smaller. Maybe they're going green. It comes with a little card. So this month it says Boxycharm All Natural. So it looks like we have 5 full-size products. The first item is this little package. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. So I guess it's a recyclable package. It's Luxie brush. It says we have a large eye blending brush, a precision crease brush, and the Luxie foundation brush. We've gotten quite a bit of Luxie brushes in the past. I haven't bought brushes in quite a while because we keep getting brushes in the Boxycharms. These are very interesting. Like the handles, if you can see, they're like wood, like actually wood grained like handles. Like doesn't really say anything else about it or like why it's green. Maybe it's just this package that's green. I don't know. They should probably like been a little bit more specific on like why. I don't know if it's the packaging or if it's the handles. I don't know. So we will definitely try these out. I really like Luxie brush. These ones seem like they're good quality. I already did my foundation and stuff, so I will use these 2 brushes right here to do my eyeshadow. The next thing I'm seeing in here is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I will insert a little clip of me using this. Formulated with avocado, broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support your skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. I can always use a fresh looking complexion because my skin is like very blotchy and I have a lot of texture in my skin, so I really like masks a lot. This one is from, I guess it's a British brand, and let's see what it smells like. You guys know I like to smell things, so it smells kind of like planty, kind of minty. Not a bad smell. And the MSRP on this is $35, and I forgot to mention that the MSRP on the brush set was $30. I see we got a palette in here. I've actually never tried anything from Butter London besides their nail polish. Oh, actually that's not true. I think I've actually tried a lip gloss too that we got in Boxycharm, but it looks like we got a palette. This is a really nice little palette. I like the packaging a lot. It seems really nice. It's really cute. It has like little jewels and floral accents on it. There is a mirror in here. This seems like a pretty nice little palette. MSRP for this one is $32. So up next, ooh, I like the packaging of this. So in the past we've gotten a lot of things from this brand. So it's the brand Alamar Cosmetics, and it looks like it's a little lip gloss, but look how pretty the package is. It's like very glittery. And so this one says it's the Mother of Pearl gloss, and the MSRP on this is $10. So I guess it's like supposed to be like shade shifting. It's supposed to have pearlescent reflex in it. Let's see if it smells like anything because I like to smell stuff. Ooh, what does that smell like? It has a sweet smell, but I can't think of what the actual smell is. Why doesn't it say? I can't think of it, but if I can think of it by the end of this video, I will leave it like in the bloopers or something because I know this smells like something. I just can't figure out what it is. And then the last thing in here is the Appeal Gel Liner in Desert Taupe, which it says line and define your eyes or lips with the new Appeal Liner. MSRP $21. So apparently you can do your lips or your eyes. Like that's kind of weird to me, like a liner that you would use under your lips and your eyes would be the same. We're gonna do both because like, girl, it says you can use it on your eyes or your lips, so we're gonna try it. So we're gonna be brave and we're gonna try it. So that was everything that was in the box. Okay guys, so I said I would go ahead and try on the face mask. It says to apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin, which I did. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. I don't know why it needs to be dark, but yeah. One thing I can say about this mask is when you're putting it on, it actually feels like a face wash. And the smell is like very strong. And like, I have a very sensitive nose. It's like stinging my nostrils. I can feel a slight tingling, like a little bit, but overall I don't think it like burns or anything. And yeah, so let's wait the full 10 minutes and then I'll let you guys know once I wash it off how I feel. Okay you guys, so this mask pretty much dried down. You can't even like see it really anymore. It like disappeared. So it's been 10 minutes. Let's wash it off. So I have my dark cloth. The tingling went away though, like after I put it on and after I dried a little bit, it went away. So I have very sensitive skin and this one was good on my skin and it feels nice, moisturized, not a bad mask. So this one is approved for my sensitive skin. Hopefully I won't get a breakout or anything, because that's another thing that kind of happens whenever I use like a new mask or something on my skin. Not a bad mask and I will continue to use it. So let's try everything on. Let's start with our eyeshadow. So we're gonna do the Butter London palette. There isn't really like a transition shade in here. You kind of have like all the same colors. Pretty much all four of these are all shimmery, and then you have two mattes, which I find very annoying. This is not a very practical palette for me. It's not like an everyday, like you can't pack just this one palette and go. This is more like a companion palette. You don't have a lot of like mattes, so not sure how I feel about that, but we're gonna just, I guess, go for it and use the color Temptress, and we're gonna put that in our crease. I'm using the large eye blending brush from Luxie. Yeah, let's try it. Ooh, help. We're blending. This blending brush is definitely a brush that's bigger than I normally use. I like to use a smaller brush, but it seems to be performing fine. I haven't lost any bristles or anything, which I really like the Luxie brushes, as I said. So I'd say this is definitely up to their standards. It works like all the other ones. And yeah, I think they're worth the money. There's not many options for this palette. Let's go into the color, I guess. We're just doing two eyeshadows in this look, I guess. Let's do the color Queen, and then we'll also do like the green color. We're gonna work it. And for this one, I'm gonna use my finger and see how much pigment I can get on it. So let's see. Now let's try it with the little brush on the other eye. So I'm gonna use the Precision Crease brush, and I'm gonna pick that up and I'm gonna put that on my other eye. Ooh, that's a nice brush. This brush picks up the shadow really good. Let's go in to the color Star, which is that green color, and just put that in our outer part of our eye. Ooh, this color is really pretty. Not super shimmery, but it is pretty. A lot of fallout though, you guys. Surprisingly, it performed the same with the brush and with my finger, which is pretty crazy for like a shimmery shadow. And under our eyes, let's use the color Queen on that detail brush and just sweep that under our eyes. The shadows seem to perform pretty well. The only thing I can say is they do have quite a bit of like fallout on your face and then also in the palette. I would use this palette again for like the different colors, but like I said, I wouldn't use them by themselves. Now let's go ahead and use that gel eyeliner slash lip liner. Okay, so apparently you have to sharpen it. It's not like one of those twisty ones. It's very glidey. It's not hard at all. It feels more of like a lip liner, honestly. Pretty color though. It's like a brownish orangey color. Then let's go ahead. We're also gonna do it on our lips too. All right, our last product we have is the lip gloss, which I don't think these colors go together, but okay, Boxycharm. Oh no, cute. Okay, you guys, that was everything that we had in the box. I'm gonna go ahead, jump off camera, finish my makeup, and I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what I think. I just went ahead and put on some mascara. And yeah, I didn't feel like putting on lashes or anything, but I think this look actually turned out not bad. I feel like everything kind of went together in the end, like the color scheme and everything. Was this my favorite box? No. Will I be using any of the things in this box? Yes, I actually liked the lip liner, which I thought was nice, and then the palette isn't bad either. The brushes are okay. This lip gloss, I still can't figure out what it smells like. Maybe like pink lemonade or something. So the total value of this box was $128. Nothing in here was like really a standout for me. I am excited though to try this mask. I do like masks, and I have heard of the brand Elemis. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I post videos every Tuesday and every Friday. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I post there every single day about plus size fashion and makeup. As always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now.